Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and in today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating how you can observe your students' analytics in Pencil's learning management system. So here I am on the course's homepage, and I'm just going to select the course I would like to view the analytics for. Once inside the course, you'll be immediately taken to the Lessons tab. Select the Analytics tab. Here you'll be displayed a list of students enrolled in your course. Currently, I only have one student enrolled in this course. To view their analytics, I'm going to click on the student. Here I'll be able to gather data on each individual session the student has completed. I can see the date they completed the session, the number of questions they completed in the session, the score they got for that session, and the amount of time it took them to complete the session. If I would like to gather further analytics on the session, I will click on the session I want to gather details for. Here will be displayed the score the student received. Here I can see they got 2 questions correct and 1 question incorrect. I will be able to see the total time the student took to complete the questions, the average time it took them to complete each individual question, and the range of difficulty for each question. This would have been set up when creating the questions. If I look to the right, I will be able to see the questions the student completed, which ones they got wrong and which ones they got right. If I would like further details on the question, I can directly click on the question. I will be able to see the question in full as well as the answer the student selected. If I go to the Explore page found on the right, I will be able to see further detail on the question, such as the difficulty, estimated time it takes to complete, and the grade range. And if you keep scrolling, you'll see content related to the question, such as similar questions your student can try, or instructional videos they can watch. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the Help button found at the bottom left-hand side of your screen. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with everything new at Pencil Spaces.